language called SmartWriter, and our dream is SmartDreamers. My name is Arela, Ayslu, and Elmira. We are from KBTU, and in world citizenship. We are going to start from the current situation of in all over the world. We know that 2 million people pass language exams every year, such as IELTS, TOEFL, and other exams. And 1,000 research centers all over the world present more than 10,000 research projects and articles per year. And borders of English language usage are expanding due to the globalization. And like you see, all people, no, not all, a lot of people write essay, and a lot of people write research projects, and here is some problems. The first problem is loss of time to switching between different sources. For example, when you write an essay, you switch from Google Translate to some linking words and a lot of sources when you get information and use in your essay. Not in real essay, but when you just learn how to write, you are switching from tabs and doing some loss of time. And the second problem is drop of attention. And when you switch from tabs to deal with different types of information, you of course lose your attention, and you can miss some important information, especially important due to unstructured and large data. And all of this leads to decrease in efficiency of the whole work of person. And we provide some solution, developing desktop application with 2 modes. The first mode is essay writing, the second mode is article writing. In the first mode, in essay writing, we are solving such problems. The first is balance structure, because in essay, for example in IELTS, especially in IELTS, they're very important to keep structure, main, body, conclusion, and something like this. And the second one is linking words and useful vocabulary. What does it mean, linking words? It is some data of linking words, and you later you see how you will use this. And vocabulary, it means synonyms and also translation of the word. And the third one is statistics. It means checking of essay, of the whole essay, and get some statistics of your work. For example, in IELTS, it means your grade 6 out of 9 and 6.5 out of 9, and something like this. In the article, the first problem that we solved is extraction from sources. It means when you don't you don't make a lot of switching, and we will demonstrate in our application, and ready references and no switching also, and that have an ability of expanding a web application. Now it is on just in our computer. It should be installed, but later on we will expand it to the web application.
So it can be expanded.
Yes, it can be expanded. We are thinking about this already. So, and the result, as a result, for customer, it will be effectiveness of his work or her work, and quality, and the time to prepare will be decreased, and the time to write also will be decreased. And tips and evaluation of work, it will be plus to the customer, and the owner, it will be increase the income and decrease the outflow. In balance sheet, we will discuss about this situation. And also, we are writing Microsoft.NET application, and it will be expanded Windows technologies use. And idea, it is known for you. A lot of tabs, and you are switching between them. And we are going to transfer all this nightmare to one application, and you don't have to make a lot of switching between tabs. and you will see like they do.
And all your things will be in one place, very comfortable.
And the working principle will be demonstrated by us later on. The first is for article writing. It's just application. It is now already ready. And essay, it looks like this. And principle.
And let's see it in action. First mode is mode for writing articles. The fishka of this mode is that we can guess is references, because all scientific articles need these references, sources, authors, and so on.
For avoiding plagiarism or
and it's very hard to remember where is from, where is this part, and so on. For example, now we use some textbook with images, with text, and we can make some notes from it.
Let's look for the first part of our application. It is a part for article writing. Let's imagine you are working on some article, and you have to deal with large amount of data, many sources, and it just looks like chaos in your computer. Something like this. So what you actually do, you choose some document and just copy the information that you need in your article to this document, and every time you want to use this information, you have to search this document in all your computer, and we think that it's not comfortable. So our solution is like this. First, you have to create work. Let's open some. Here we see document that we choose, and all data that we will copy will be copied to this document. For example, we copy some data from our source, and we just see this window and save our information in this document. Next time we again copy, and we just automatically saved in this document, which we
just push Ctrl+C, and all information is going to buffer, and then automatically to our application. And also we have choice to make our special hotkey.
For example, in clipboard now this data, and we choose some hotkey. We see that the data in clipboard is what we just copied by our chosen hotkey.
Also, we can copy not only text, also images and so on.
Yes, let's do screen. Here we can see pictures. Also, we can sort our notes. Only pictures, only text, and for options for deleting, adding, also searching. So as you can see, here all notes that you need in writing your article are saved and collected in one place, and you don't have to search in all your computer in order to get information that you want to use. And we think that it's more comfortable and it will be very useful, especially for students, for teachers, or some people that are writing scientific articles or some works. This is the first part of our application, and second part.
And the next mod is about essay writing, about linking words, and so on. Now, let's see. Here we have space for writing, and we can create new, open old ones, and so on. Let's write our simple sentence from our presentation. For example, 2 million people are passing arts exam every year. Here we can make autocorrection. For example, if we wrote some words incorrect. For example, R. If you put cursor and then we can see variants. And R will be correct. For example, the next feature is finding synonyms. For example, for people. We just double click and in synonyms tab we see all of them. And when we click here, people change to habitat or exam. Another synonyms are, and then click testing and exam changing to testing. Also we can choose linking words. For example, giving examples or adding information. And then we can really use them in our essay. Another interesting thing that we have some thematic words.
And now let's talk about our target customers. The first, as you understand, the first is students, and also here includes pupils that in schools. For example, a lot of universities take IELTS to enter the university, and for these people, our application will be very, very good. And for researchers to making articles, and also to teachers to prepare some materials.
And the next issue I will talk about is marketing, because for our customers we should buy it. We think that our application is not so is simple, but it has very large range of target audience. And first step of our marketing will be awareness. We want to advertise our application in the internet, in the social networks, and education sites, like British Council and so on. Another step is education. It means we should provide deeply detailed information to our customers about all functionalities of our application. Then recommendation. Recommendation means using famous people or using famous companies to advertise our application. For example, it can be arts preparation centers or others. The next one is very important. It is a trial. It means we we want to allow our customers to try our application for 30 days free, and then they can buy it. Also about purchase, they can buy it once and then use, but also they can monthly download additional features, and they would be also cost some money. And to summarize our marketing strategy and buying, we calculated that for developing we need $1,000 for using some dictionaries, databases, technologies, and so on. $2,000 for 3 months free trial. It means during 3 months all people can try it for 1 month. And advertising, as I said, in the internet, social networks, and so on. So we need some starting capital like $3,000, but every month we will take some profit. It will be $5,500, but $500 we will use for developing additional features, as I said, and income will be $5,000 per month. That's all, and thank you for your attention. We will be glad to answer any questions.